Hey guys, Gary Nelson Real Estate here with Century 21, bringing you our newest listing here at 113 Corbin Way in beautiful Branson, Missouri. This home is a shining gem. Here we have just under 3,000 square feet of living space, a multi-level home, 4 bedrooms, and 3.5 baths, with 2 full kitchens, 2 laundry rooms with separate electric meters. This home has a magnificent open concept. It's been meticulously maintained. The siding here is a combination of stucco and vinyl siding. It has a newer roof in 2019, freshly poured concrete driveway and sidewalk, and 2 brand new back decks. Come enjoy the amazing location, being within just a short drive to all of what Branson has to offer. Live shows, amusement parks, golf courses, shopping, restaurants, and more. This home is ideal for full-time living or those unforgettable weekend retreats with family and friends. So without further ado, let's go take a look inside. So this home was constructed in 1998, and we're going to go room by room and show you all the special features and qualities this home has to offer. So we'll start with the most important room in the house, obviously the kitchen. This kitchen has a great layout. We have recessed lighting, beautiful pine oak finished cabinets, 4 Lazy Susans, brand new brushed nickel hardware, new appliances, new kitchen sink faucet upgrade, a beautiful white sink basin, a really good looking backsplash, and an entry door to one of 2 back decks. You'll love the flow of the home as this kitchen flows right into the dining room area, featuring a nice fireplace. Take a look at the new chandeliers, more recessed lighting, and this beautiful view out the window into the Ozark Mountains. It's just priceless. Now let's go check out the living room, which offers plenty of space. You're gonna love this flooring that we have in here. This is LVP, which stands for luxury vinyl planking. And guys, this is the good stuff. This is 22 millimeters of a wear layer. So it's very scratch resistant and 100% waterproof, and it just looks amazing. They did a really good job with this floor. As you can see, there's high quality recessed LED lighting. We have its own wet bar in the living room, and even new digital thermostats, and plenty of natural light. And now let's check out this huge master bedroom with very tall 12-foot ceilings. Great natural light in this room too, with new LED light fixtures and brand new carpet and new patio doors walking out to the back deck. The wall from the master bedroom is actually double insulated for extra privacy. Now that we're done in the master bedroom, let's check out this master bath. Here we have new tile, our brushed nickel faucets, a jacuzzi tub with dimmable mood setting lighting, a walk-in closet with an access panel to the jacuzzi tub when you need to maintain it, and a walk-in shower. Here is our guest bathroom. This is right off the main hallway, and it's a half bath, meaning that it doesn't have a tub or a shower, just the toilet and the vanity. And here's the laundry room, which is conveniently located right upstairs on the main level. We have plenty of cabinet space, washer and dryer hookups, a wood-built encased furnace, even more cabinet space behind the door, and here's our access to the attic, which is insulated with plenty of room for storage. So that does it for our main level. Let's head downstairs and check out the rest of the house. Down on the ground level, we have our guest bathroom, which is a full bath, and it's right in between both of the downstairs bedrooms. And here's another digital thermostat right in the hallway for its own level. Again, new lighting fixtures with LED lights, with the ceiling fan, a hallway closet, and a large window. In bedroom number 3, here we have the same size bedroom, new carpet, new ceiling fan with LED lights, and more windows allowing for that natural light. All right guys, now it's time to go check out the 2-car garage. Here's our 2-car garage. It's heated and cooled and plumbed for hot and cold water, so you can wash your vehicle even in the wintertime. Here's the drains on the floor, plenty of electrical outlets, nice recessed lighting. Take a look at this beautiful paneling and this nice concrete paint. And now one of my favorite parts of this home is a separate apartment or a mother-in-law quarters. Here we have a full bedroom and a full bathroom, its own separate laundry room, a full kitchen with plenty of cabinet space, white appliances, very sharp and modern recessed lighting, even dimmable lights. It's on its own separate electric meter, and the back door leads out into the yard, and it has its own separate thermostat as well, and includes the new LVP and new carpet. So you could rent this out. Maybe mom and dad want to stay the weekend with you. This extra space lets you get creative in how you use it. Well guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed your tour of 113 Corbin Way. If you'd like to schedule your own showing, go ahead and call myself, 417-239-7369. My name's Gary Nelson with Century 21, and thanks for watching.